Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a guava smoothie. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 5 cups of ripe guavas, either fresh or frozen, 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, and 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. For sweetness, grab 1 tablespoon of honey or any other sweetener you like. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and refreshing treat. Now let's prepare the star of our smoothie, the guavas. If using fresh guavas, wash them well and then peel off their skin. Next, carefully cut the 5 cups of guavas into smaller pieces, making them easier to blend. For an extra smooth consistency, you might want to remove any hard seeds, though it's optional. This step ensures your smoothie will be perfectly enjoyable. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your prepared guava pieces, milk, yogurt, and honey into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a colder, thicker smoothie, toss in 2 to 3 ice cubes and blend again until incorporated. This step is key for that perfect texture. Your refreshing guava smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite glass, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish with a fresh mint leaf or a thin slice of guava. This smoothie is a fantastic way to get a burst of tropical flavor and nutrients. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.